I asked AI to upgrade my uni appetizer and this is what it made. It's incredible. We originally made this in episode 17 and gave it an 8.7. First up, it's recommending me to add texture and heat. We're adding jalapenos, Thai chilies, and extra kick with habanero. Uni is the reproductive organ of the sea urchin. It's sweet and creamy. I'm going to make 2 in these spoons and 1 in a shot glass. Next, the ikura, which is salmon eggs. Let's add our texture and heat with spicy little hats. It also recommended sesame seeds, so I'll add that here. And of course my favorite, grunions. The final piece is a quail egg yolk. Just a touch of ponzu. Last, the AI recommended adding some acid, couple drops of lemon. Aesthetically, I think it looks amazing. Can't wait to try this. That is one of the best things I've ever made.
That's it.
The addition of habanero, Thai chilies, and jalapenos adds a nice crunch and spicy kick to the dish. Habanero peppers are known for their intense heat and fruity flavor,
Oh man, that's spicy.
while Thai chilies are known for their sharp, pungent taste. Jalapenos have a milder, heat and sweet, slightly grassy flavor. The lemon gives it a refreshing twist and enhances the overall profile of the dish.
That one is spicy. Oh my god.
10 out of 10.